Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video we build on the basics and mix and twist vanilla, nutmeg, citrus zest and side pairings to elevate your egg pie. Mixing the silky custard filling, how not to get bubbly tops. The texture of the custard must be smooth and velvety. The mistake many people make is over-mixing the filling. Vigorously whisking eggs and milk incorporates too much air. During baking, this trapped air expands, creating bubbles that rise and burst, leaving behind unsightly air pockets and cracks on the top surface of the pie. Instead, mix the ingredients slowly and gently with a whisk or paddle attachment on very low speed. Mix only until the sugar dissolves and the liquid is uniform. A second crucial trick is straining the filling. Pour the mixed custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl before pouring it into your prepared crust. This removes any small bits of unmixed egg white, shillazy, or bubbles. Straining the mixture ensures the absolute smoothest, silkiest custard texture possible. The jiggle test, knowing exactly when your pie is done baking. Overbaking custard causes it to become tough, grainy, or rubbery. Underbaking results in a soupy center. Knowing the exact moment your egg pie is done is key, and the jiggle test offers the perfect indicator. Bake the pie at a lower temperature, typically between 325 degrees Fahrenheit and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lower temperatures allow the delicate proteins in the eggs to set slowly. After the recommended baking time, gently tap the side of the pie pan with an oven-mitted hand. The pie is done when the edges are completely set and firm, but the direct center, an area about 2 inches wide, still has a pronounced wobble or jiggle. It should look like firm gelatin jiggling slightly. The residual heat from the pie crust will continue to gently cook the creamy center after you remove it from the oven, completing the setting process. Cool the pie completely on a wire rack before cutting. Fun ways to customize and serve your homemade egg pie. Once you master the base recipe, customizing your egg pie is easy and adds a personal touch. Simple additions can elevate the flavor profile quickly. Easy flavor boosts, using vanilla, nutmeg, and citrus zest. While classic egg pie is delicious in its purest form, you can experiment with flavor boosters in your custard mixture. Vanilla. Use high-quality vanilla extract or scrape the seeds from half a vanilla bean directly into the warm cream before mixing. Spice. A small pinch of freshly grated nutmeg or cinnamon adds incredible warmth, enhancing the natural sweetness of the custard. Citrus zest. For a brighter, cleaner taste, finely grate the zest of half a lemon or small orange into the custard mix. The oils in the zest cut through the richness beautifully. Use only the colored part of the peel, avoiding the bitter white pith. Pairing your pie. What sides make egg pie even better? Egg pie is robust enough to stand on its own, but clever pairings can make the dessert even more memorable. Think about textural contrast or tartness to balance the richness. Simple serving suggestions. Whipped cream. A dollop of lightly sweetened, freshly whipped cream is a classic pairing that adds airiness. Fresh berries. The slight tartness of fresh raspberries, blueberries, or strawberries offers a wonderful counterpoint to the pie's sweetness. Serve a small bowl of mixed berries alongside each slice. Powdered sugar. For a simple, elegant presentation, dust the cooled pie with a light layer of powdered sugar just before serving. Ice cream. A small scoop of high-quality vanilla bean or sea salt caramel ice cream served warm alongside a cooled slice provides a temperature contrast that many find irresistible. Sweet success awaits. Baking a perfect egg pie is an incredibly rewarding experience. It demonstrates that the most satisfying desserts often require simple ingredients and focused technique. By committing to blind baking the crust and gently mixing the custard, you can skip the common pitfalls of soggy bottoms and cracked surfaces. Remember the critical jiggle test to ensure that smooth, creamy finish. Now you have all the knowledge needed to create this comforting, golden classic. Try making one today, Your friends and family will surely appreciate this silky, homemade dessert. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.